Right, in GK class, let's start with exercise. Open page number 24, all of you. Mute your mics and open page. Mute your mics and open page number 24. Page number 24. Page number 24, GK. Open then page number 27. 24 done, then open. Today we are going to do page number 32. 24 and 27 we have already done. Okay? GK page number 32. Fill in the blanks to see how much you know about the mountains of the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak, is part of which mountain range? Answer is yes, Himalayas. H is already written. Right, right there, Himalayas. 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 Done. Now, second one. Which is the largest mountain range in the world? Answer is Andes. Answer is Andes. Andes. First and last word is written. You have to only fill the in between alphabets. Andes. A and S is already written there. You have to only fill N D E in between. Andes. Andes. What? Page number 32. First is Himalaya, second is Andes. 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 Third, if you were visiting Mount Ararat, in which country would you be in? Turkey. Answer is Turkey. Yes, Turkey. Turkey. As soon as you answer, kindly mute your mic. Don't let the mic be open because it creates lots of confusion and disturbance. If you know the answer, speak the answer and then again mute it. So answer 3 is Turkey. 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 Next, Mount Fuji, an active volcano, is located in which country? Who? Acha, mute your mic. Mute your mic. It is not Japan. It's Japan. Japan is wrong pronunciation. It's Japan. 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 Next. Very good. Point number 5. The Rocky Mountain Range stretches from Canada to which other country? Mexico. Mexico. Answer it and then mute your mic. Don't forget to mute it. Mexico. Atharv has forgot to mute. Mexico. Mexico. Mount Blanc or the White Mountains are the part of which mountain range? Alps. Alps. ALPS Alps. ALPS Alps. Keep writing side by side. ALPS Alps. Next. If you were at the Mount Olympus, in which country would you be in? Greece. 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 Next, name the mountain range that separates Asia from Europe. Ural, yes. Ural, Ural, Ural. Next, Mount McKinley, now called Denali, is the highest mountain of which country? United States of America. Right there, United States of America. Arhan, mute your mic. United States of America. You are talking, Arhan. You are not writing in the book. I'm looking at you. You are just smiling and talking. Arhan Sahil, where are you looking and talking? Pay attention. Next. Already done in advance? So you will talk in the class. If you have done, that doesn't means that you are going to talk. Next. In which continent is Mount Kilimanjaro? Kilimanjaro is in which continent? Yes, Africa. Right there, Africa. Africa, Africa. Next, where can you find the Matterhorn mountain range? Switzerland. Switzerland. Yes, Switzerland. Write the spelling Switzerland. I'm repeating Switzerland. Switzerland. I'm not going to tell anybody. Everybody has brains and all of you know the rules. Every day, all the time, in every class, I'm not going to say mute your mic and don't present and don't do this. Simply, I'm going to remove you from the group. From next time, I'm not going to shout. You all are big children. You all are not nursery babies where I have to tell the same thing 100 times. 15 minutes class, 20 minutes class, you should be very alert and then you can do whatever you feel like after the class. But when I'm taking online class, make sure you do not create any disturbances and chaos. The Great Dividing Range lies to the west of which Australian city? Yes, Sydney. 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 Do not write wrong spelling. Write correct spelling. Sydney. Sydney. So I am repeating all the answers again. Kindly recheck if you have missed out anyone. Point number one is Himalayas. Number two, Andes. Number three, Turkey. Number four, Japan. Number five, Mexico. Number six, Alps. Number seven, Greece. Number eight, Ural. Number nine, United States of America. Number 10, Africa. Number 11, Switzerland. And last is Sydney. Clear? All of you have done? Okay.